Hey, what's going on there, everyone? Today we are covering a plugin called Vouchers. This is free and working on versions 1.8 through 1.16. Essentially what this plugin does is it allows you to have some sort of item where players can right click and they'll be able to claim some sort of command that you put inside the voucher. So you see this a lot on bigger servers where there's like money vouchers or key vouchers or rank vouchers. So there's all types of different styles that you can make with this. So the main command for this is /voucher. That will show your main help menu here. We can create as many vouchers as you want. It has a very nice in-game editor, which is fantastic. So I'm going to call this VIP rank. So this is going to be the name of the specific voucher, and then we can click on this command to edit the voucher of VIP rank. And here you have all these different types of options. So you can have different types of execution, you have titles, you have sounds and messages, permission nodes, all that good stuff, and you can change the material in here as well. So here we have the different types of options. So if you want it to be glowing, this would apply to the specific item that you give. And if you want it to be unbreakable, hide attributes in the title, all that good stuff. So typically you want this to be enabled by default. And here is where all the different types of executions come into play. So here are the commands. So the default command is just going to be heal and then the player. So we can actually remove that one because we don't want that. So here we can actually add the specific item, and this just shows you, hey, this is the commands that you're editing, so you don't lose what you are in. So we can go ahead and add the item. So in my case, I want to go ahead and give them a VIP rank. What we can do here is we can do LP and then user. So this is going to be luck perms. I'm going to basically just be adding the rank to them. So we can do LP user, and we can use the placeholder as player, so LP user. We're going to do a parent and then add, and we're going to add them to the VIP group. So that would be the command to add them to that specific group. So there we go. So that is how you do that. So that is one voucher, and then you can add different types of things in here as well. Like we could just say, we can go ahead and give them like jump boost. I'm not sure why you would want to do that, but just for this video purpose, do jump boost for 60 seconds and a power of 3, and we'll set the display to false. So there we go. So that would give them jump boost, just a fun little thing. Make sure you do save it after you edit it. And here's the broadcast message, and it just says, hey, this is a player redeemed that specific voucher. I'm just going to leave that the same, and here is the player message. So it just says you redeemed that specific voucher, and if you want to add something else here, and then this will automatically send a player a message. So we can just say you got VIP rank. Alright, so we'll just say that to them and make sure we save those changes. And then here we can do specific sounds here, which is pretty nice. So you can find the specific sound. I don't know, let's go with the honey block, right? Because why not? So that is the specific sound, and those are what the commands are going to be executing. So we can exit out of that. Here we have the permission to be able to use that. So this is what the players would need to use in order to be able to actually use this. And then material, you can change the material in here as well. I'm going to probably, let's do it as a blaze rod, because why not? So there we go. And then here is the lore, and we can change that. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that, and let's add a new item, and we'll just say this is voucher for VIP rank. All right. And that would be the lore of the specific item. So we can go ahead and save that, and that looks good. So that is everything with our specific voucher for the VIP rank. So if we go ahead and exit, now what we can do is we can list the specific ones that we have, or we can give it. And so this is the command that you would execute if you're having like a crates plugin. So we just give the specific voucher, and you can give it to everyone on the server or the person's name, and we'll just give them 2. So there you go. Now we have 2, as you see. So this is the voucher for the VIP rank. If you go ahead and click it, we get a confirmation if we want to redeem it or can cancel it. Let's go ahead and redeem it, and there we go. We did get added to the specific VIP rank. So if we type in chat, there we go, it did work, and we did get the jump boost as well, which is pretty cool. So that is how you set up your specific voucher, and it's a very pretty self-explanatory, but I just wanted to showcase to you guys because it is pretty nice to have on your server. Today's video sponsor is the Songoda Marketplace, and if you are looking for any type of unique or custom plugin for your Minecraft server, there is quite a bit of selection over there. So make sure you guys go check them out using the link down in the description, and you can find some great plugins for your server. So making vouchers is literally like the easiest thing to do with this plugin, which is really nice. So we can actually just make like a money voucher, and we can go into the edit, and we can edit the money one and execution. I'm just going to change the commands. Essentially, I'm going to remove that, and we can add an item. We'll just say ECO give player, and we'll give them like $1,000. And that's it. There you go. You got your voucher done. It's pretty nice, honestly. So we can go back, and if we do a vouchers list, it brings up a nice menu here. So here's the one we just made in our VIP one. So we can give ourselves the money, and we can right click and redeem it. Perfect. We got $1,000 and a nice little title as well. So that is how you make your vouchers with this plugin. Very simplistic, very easy to do in game, and that's what I love. So anyways, hope you guys did enjoy. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.